Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c:" and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32/config/regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Type attrib c:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now type ren space c:/boot/bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.